I have created a magazine. I am so excited. It's called NCE, Nail Career Education. My magazine is designed for the nail enthusiast, for the DIY, right to the nail pro, and if you're a client. This magazine is for everyone. And the best thing is, it's free, and you can read it right now. Awesome content from people like Merrick, who does nails for celebrities, and step-by-step tutorials from the original creator of the clear jelly stamper. Learn a few tips on what to do if you forget your nail appointment, and I explain why I throw trash over my shoulder. Oh, and I'm especially loving Love Your Hands, where the images move to help demonstrate the exact stretch. Be sure to check out the article where your nail photos can be featured. Use the hashtag Suzie Submissions on Instagram. I'll be honest, I had too much fun creating this magazine with my wonderful nail career team. You can read it online right now. This is just the beginning. I couldn't have done this without your support, so I thank you.